Hi, my little chickies. Remember the streamer that we made out of potato chip bag and a straw? Well, I just realized that if I stick it right behind my ear, it can be like a decoration. You know I like that. Let's see if I can get it to stay though. Maybe because of my glasses, it's a little tricky. But let's move on. Today we are going to make a puzzle, a jigsaw puzzle using an old box of cereal. So when you get your cereal and it's empty, you make sure nothing's in it. Then you look for where there is glue, where the box was folded and glued together. I found mine. You can see right there that it's separated. So then you just open it up. Take out the glue, and I only need one side of the cardboard box, but I'm gonna clean it up. Remember what I meant by clean it up? It means I'm gonna take out all these ugly tabs on it that help me just get one nice piece of cardboard. All right, so that means I'm gonna cut all the parts that are ugly or have been glued or folded a lot or even ripped. And I'm just gonna do one side because I only need one side right now. So I'm only gonna clean up. If you have anything messy like this, you know, you just wanna take all that stuff out. So you're working with a nice, clean piece of cardboard. The next thing that I have to do is draw an edge around the cardboard so it makes the puzzle easier to put together. Now I am gonna I only need scissors, glue, and marker or crayon. And I'm gonna make an edge. That means I'm gonna color the whole perimeter of the cardboard. And so again, I'm using my fancy teacher markers, but you could do it with any marker or crayon. You just want to go the same all the way around. Maybe I'll make this part. No, I'll just make it all. No, you know what? Maybe just to make it a little bit easier, I'll change colors and I'll make it blue on this edge. This way, boys and girls, you always know where the corner pieces are. And if you do jigsaw puzzles, you know that having a corner helps you put the puzzle together easier because you make the frame the outside part. Let me get you a little bit closer. All right, so there I drew my edge. And by the way, I used this when I was coloring so I don't write on my table. And now I need to draw a picture of something that I want to make into the puzzle. It could be any picture you want, but what you want is big so that when you cut the pieces, you can put them together. My picture will be of something that I want to do when I am finished with quarantine. Something that I think would be so fun. And what I want to do is go to an ice cream store. So here is Miss Yasmina. I'm gonna go around this way so I'm not drawing upside down. And I am going to draw using shapes, circle, triangle, and then my arm. And here's my happy face. And let's make my hair like a mohawk. Here's my mohawk hair, why not? And it is a nice sunny day outside, and I want to get ice cream from those people that sell them in the streets. Like the coco y cherry is my favorite flavor. So now I'm gonna draw the ice cream cards. And here they have the coco y cherry, and here they have vanilla. Those are two flavors that I like. The vanilla, I'm gonna do yellow, and the coco y cherry, I'm gonna do like pink, and let's see. Maybe some cherries right there. And you know what helps when you put a puzzle together? Having words. Ice cream. Like I have to make sure it fits here, so I have to try to write a little bit skinnier. Ice cream. It just fit. Here's my eye. And maybe I already got my coco y cherry, and it's, let's do a blue cup. And my ice cream is here. And let me add the little details. And let's see, well, my dress is a little boring, so let's make this. Stripes. And maybe dots. I could always add to it. And oh, let's not forget the friendly lady that sells the ice cream. She's saying, yes, it's right here. Come and get it. And she's behind there, and she is holding one of those big scooping spoons that they use. And here they have a little picture of an ice cream on the side, and maybe there are birds flying outside because we are enjoying the freedom of going out. And maybe there's some grass here. She's wearing a pink and brown shirt. Her hair is, let's see, what color should her hair be? You think her hair should be green? Okay, let's make her hair green. Her spoon is the most prettiest color, blue. It's like an aqua blue. There's her spoon. And it's starting to look really good. Maybe I'm going to do a speech bubble. Remember, with a speech bubble, first the word, and then the bubble. So thank you, thank you, exclamation point, and it's coming out of my head. First the word, and then the bubble. There we go. Now I'm going to take my puzzle and I'm going to cut it. Mix it all up and tell your friends. Can you put it together? All right, let me see. I'll try to do some of it very quickly. Okay, remember what I said about the edges. The edges help us a lot. I can see this goes like this. And she's saying thank you. And you can put the lady here. I see ice cream. And there we go. There is our puzzle. Isn't that so cool? If you want to make it harder to put together, what you can do is also cut it this way. That will make twice as many pieces, and it'll be harder to put together. Thank you so much, my friends. Make a puzzle. Bye.